Like twice as much Tannerite in this one, so y'all really need to back up. You put this stuff in there, and then you close the lid up, and then you just like mix it up and shit.
Science.
Yes, science!
I'll just put it in there and like stuff it.
It's really. Here we go. A ton of Tannerite inside of the dead tree. Ran out of chainsaws.
Close the door, close the door.
Are you scared, Johnny?
Bro, close the door, close the door.
All right, here it comes. Shoot it, shoot it! Hello. Oh.